Homeowner tips for the non-contractor.
Are you trying to change your air filter in your Honeywell Lennox AC and heater and flush out the lines? Let's dive into it.
Now remember, before we get started, make sure that you set your unit to off because you want to make sure that you're able to easily pull out your filter and insert the new one without getting a lot of suction. All right, when you're getting ready to change your air filter, you're going to want to make sure that you have 1 cup of white distilled vinegar and 1 gallon of hot water every time that you change your filter, whether you're changing it every month, every 2 months, every 3 months. This is what you're going to want to do. 1 cup of white vinegar and 1 gallon of hot water. We're going to locate our air filter wherever it's located. We're going to take our liquids with us.
On our AC unit, we're going to locate where our filter location is. We're going to locate where our drain is that has the little elbow. This is in front of the elbow, this is behind it. So we're going to take off the cap behind the elbow. We're going to put our funnel in here, and we're going to put our 1 cup of vinegar in here for 5 minutes. So you want to make sure that your AC is off when you're changing this. So first, we're going to go ahead and get our funnel. Make sure you duck when you're up in here because you'll probably hit your head on a banister or something. We're going to put our 1 cup of vinegar. And what it's going to do, it's going to go down here to our little P-trap. So it's going to wash down here and go over. So it's going to start working down the pipe. We're going to let this sit for 5 minutes while we're replacing our filter. So on our filter, we're going to pull it up and then pull it down. And you'll see here that our filter is a 20 by 25 by 4. Just going to go ahead and pull it straight out, just like that. And then we're going to grab our replacement filters so that we can put them in. I would recommend keeping them up here in the attic if you have your AC in the attic. First time I came up here, I was trying to carry these up and I actually fell down the ladder, so that was no fun. So I would probably keep your extra supply of your filters up in the attic so they're ready to service, so it's quick and easy when you're installing it. So you want to make sure that you match the airflow arrow the way that it's going. So when we pulled it out, the airflow is going this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our new filter and we're going to put our airflow going that way. And it just slides right in. And then we're going to make sure that we put the connector back into the hole so that we can go ahead and seal up our gasket. So that one is installed and ready to go. Now that we let our vinegar sit for 5 minutes inside of the P-trap, we're going to go ahead and flush it with 1 gallon of hot water all the way down so it can break up any kind of buildup in the system. All right, once that's done, give it a little shake so you don't get water all over the place. Put your cap back on. Just fingertip tight. You don't have to like glue it on or try to smack it in place. And this is going to be ready till the next time that you change your filter. So put the reminder on the calendar when you need to fix it again next time. And whenever you come up, bring your 1 cup of vinegar and your 1 gallon of hot water. I would keep my funnel in place so you always know where it is and it's ready to go. And you could even keep your vinegar up here because it doesn't have to be hot. And then just bring your gallon of water whenever you're ready.
Thanks for watching. If it was helpful, let me know in the comments down below and hit a like. We'll see you on the next one.